Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onda Vivian. So in today's video I'm super excited to go on with this video. I will be doing what I've never done on my hair before, which is trimming my ends. My hair is 3 years now. I've never trimmed my ends, so today I'll be doing that. I don't even know how to go about it, but definitely we are going to do something. We are going to trim my hair. I'm going to trim my hair, so just stay tuned, watch the video to the end. So the very first thing you are definitely going to need is, I'm going to be using, I don't really know, I'll be using any of these comb, the white tooth comb, then a scissors to cut the hair. I really went for these big scissors because I really need it. I'm really excited, and I really want to see how it goes, like how my hair will look like at the end. You can see the split end. If you really look at my hair, you'll see split ends. Though my hair is really thick, look at every strand is so full, but you can still see the split end. These are the split end. You can see these are split ends. These are split ends. My hair, I've carried this hair for 3 years without trimming it. Look at split end. But I'm still happy how full my hair has always been. This is it. You can see. Look at the strands. They are really full. They are full. That is one thing I'm happy with. So today, join me as we go on with this video. So I think the very first thing I'm going to do, as always, is to section my hair. So I'm going to use, I'll go with a very small portion of my hair, trim it. I've never done this before, so I'm really happy doing this, really going for this, like doing it with my detangling brush. I didn't use any straightener on my hair to straighten my hair. I just comb it like that. So straightening my hair and blow drying my hair is equally one of the things I've never done before. Still looking forward to it. So yeah, as you can see. The wait along in trimming. Really excited doing this. I get it right. I'm trying to bring all my hair together so that I can trim it. I'm going to do a very big trim, really big. for the very first time. I'm really, really happy. This is what I've trimmed. This is what I haven't trimmed. Let's try it. Let's see how it is. Without me trimming my ends, I faced a lot of people say my hair have split ends. I need to trim it. So today I knew I had split ends, but it was just kind of hard for me to really do what I'm doing now, like trimming my ends. Oh, I'm getting it right because these are my split ends. You can really see
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Being natural has been a good journey for me, and I love my natural hair. I love it so much. I feel so beautiful with this natural hair. If you are still thinking of going natural, my sister, I encourage you to go natural starting from today. Just go. You can transition from relaxed to natural, or you just do a big chop going to the barber or to the salon, either the hairdressing salon or to the barbing salon. Get your hair trimmed. Let them cut those relaxed ones.
So then, why?
Guys, this is the last hair that I'm going to trim today. It has been a really, really, really good experience trimming my ends. I think my hair is going to do way more better. That's always been good. My hair has always been full, but keeping this split end, I don't think it's necessary. It's doing this, it's okay. Just take your time, do it where you want to, do it where you want to do it. Trim your ends when you feel as to. There are others that trims their end every 3 months, every 6 months. Maybe there are people that still trim their end every month. But I kept mine for 3 years before doing this, before getting the courage to actually trim my ends. And it's good.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described.
What I'm doing now is a really good experience.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something
So
that
this
moves.
is the final look. This is the final look of me trimming my ends. This is how it looks. Bye guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn your notification button so that you always come back to check out the new video, the new things I'm doing on my hair. Black hair is beautiful. Remember, always keep your ends trimmed, always trim your ends, take care of your black hair and be patient with it. It will definitely grow someday. It will definitely